You're joking. Look at this. You're kidding. Wait till you see what I'm going to do with this bad boy. Whew. We've got a baby bath seat from the side of the road. We've got a passenger boat seat together. With ratchets, we've got a baby boat seat. Let's see how we go. Have a look at this little beauty. Solid as. This is gonna let me get Winnie out of the house, out of Mum's hair, get me a few brownie points, but more importantly, it's gonna get me on the water more. It's a win-win. See you out there. Righto, Winnie, let's try it out. Put you in here. Put the little seatbelt on. Ha ha! Woohoo! Like I bought one. How good's that? Let's go. I don't know if there's a world record for the youngest kid to catch a fish, but at 13 months, I reckon she's going to go close. And if she's not the youngest kid to catch a fish, she might well be the youngest kid to do a catch and cook. So Winnie, you're about to make history.
Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is our new satisfaction. Ship thrills, ship tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, take off? I gotta rest.
What a day. You. Good day to be on the water, Winnie. Breaking records. Or fish on.
Oh, I think so.
Oi! Give it to her. Don't have to wide so crazy fast. Now slowly lift him into the boat. Slowly lift him in. Wind it up a bit. Lift him in. Lift him in. Keep him in. Hey, get him in.
No, he's in.
Hey. That rod bend, Mum? Oi! Oh my God! Oh. Ready? What have we got?
What have we got,
First
Winnie?
fish. Your little rod. Jeez, unlucky fish. You got your hands in the reel. What have we got?
Oh, Winnie!
What's that?
A little flatty.
What's that? What is that? It's actually just size too, so we're gonna have to eat it. Yeah, cool. Haha, frothing! Going back. Say bye.
Bye, Flatty.
Bye. peel them off. Oh, look here, Mum. You give us a shaka. You big flatty head. Are you hungry, Winnie? Well, we can only assume she is because she can't talk. So, what do you reckon, Mum? Let's go have a cooker.
Ready to take sail, swept by current, swallowed by a wave. Take heed, they'll say, no need to get.
Those people that say your life doesn't change when you have kids, they're liars. It's not quite as good as it used to be, but it's still pretty good. See you on the beach.
Our love is easy lasting.
What a spot to pull up for lunch. Oh. So, up here, Em and Winnie are already on the beach. Let's kick this cook up in the guts. G'day, welcome to the Stray Mate Kitchen. I've got Winnie over there in the shade. She's chilling out. I've whacked the fillets off those flathead already and we're going to mix up a quick beer matter mix. Righto. Bit of self-raising flour. Measured accurately into the bowl. Then, favourite part. Oh, just a... Yep, it's not off, but while I'm distracted doing this, Em, if you pan that camera around, the boat's on its way to Melbourne. Righto. Try that again. Welcome back to the Stray Mate Kitchen. We're on again. Where were we? We lost all the flour while we were gone. Again, carefully measured. Luckily I had 2 full cups in there, perfect amounts. Righto, like I was saying, the best part, especially now I've rescued the boat. Oh, it's good squishy. Righto, make to measure. I don't think I brought a fork, so I'm going with the fingers. And the wind's really picked up here, so I've just got to go as quick as possible. You want your batter to be a nice thin consistency like that. If it's too thick, you know when you go to those fish and chip shops, it just feels like you got more batter than fish. Yeah, well, that's what you don't want. So a little bit more beer. The most important thing about this is making sure you're saving the rest of the can for yourself. It's as close to catching cook as you get. What's this? You don't want to touch it? Okay. Next stage is the fry up. Got our oil nice and hot, and it's as simple as dropping them in. Probably could have got that oil a little bit hotter, but it's pretty blowy out here. Righto. There's our fillets. Give them a few minutes, we'll give them a turn, and then we'll serve you up some. Let's have a go. So Winnie and myself got ourselves a feed, but it's not the prettiest. We couldn't get that temp up with all this wind, so we sort of shagged it. You wouldn't pay for this if you were going into a pub. But look, the plus side is, We might have got a world record for the youngest ever catch and cook, 13 months, Winnie. We'll wait for it in the mail. We'll probably get a letter soon. And outside of that, please subscribe, Stray Mate. If you enjoy what we're doing, I'd love your support. Thanks guys, hooroo.